How to fix the battery draining fast on your iPhone. First, you should check Background App Refresh. Open Settings, tap General, then select Background App Refresh and turn it off for apps that don't need to refresh in the background. Next, check which apps are using the most battery. Go back to Settings, tap Battery, and check the Battery Usage by App section. If you notice an app using an unusually high amount of battery, try updating it or removing it if you don't need it. Next, scroll up and turn on low power mode. This reduces background activity and can help your iPhone battery last longer. Another useful step is to reduce your screen brightness. Open Control Center and lower the brightness. Finally, make sure your iPhone is running the latest available iOS version. Go back to Settings, tap General, next tap Software Update, and install any available update. After trying these steps, your iPhone should have better battery life. And that's how you can fix fast battery draining on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.